Linking your bank account to Quds Bank in Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a successful connection. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the linking process, collect all necessary information, including your bank account details, identification documents, and any relevant account numbers associated with Quds Bank. Step 2. Access Quds Bank online portal. Visit the official Quds Bank website and navigate to the online banking section. You may need to create an account or login if you already have one. Step 3. Locate the account linking option. Once logged in, look for the option to link your bank account. This may be found under Settings, Account Management, or a similar section. Step 4. Enter your bank account details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your request. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your account linking. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Quds Bank account link to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.